Good morning, NISD students. This is a tutorial to show you how to put books on hold in Destiny. If you click on My Portal and then click Fall at Destiny, it will take you to a login screen and you want to click NISD My Portal. It will bring up this Destiny Discover homepage. And on this Destiny Discover homepage in the upper left-hand corner, it will tell you welcome and your name, and it will tell you the school that you go to. I have different ribbons where I have recently added books, and I have topics, and I have other ribbons down here. So if I wanted to search for a book, I can absolutely use the search bar up here. I can also search by topic. Maybe I'm interested in a book similar to the Hunger Games. So I would want to click on dystopian. Once I click on that, I can then scroll down and just start looking at the books that we have in dystopia. And I can also filter any of these books by all of these different filters over on the left-hand side. So I can filter by subject, I can filter by author, I can filter by availability. I know the book is in if it has a green triangle in the left-hand corner and it says in. I know it's out if it has a red triangle, and I'm not seeing any right now, but this triangle would be red and it would say out. So what a hold does for you is that it allows you to place a hold so that your librarian can pull the book from the shelf and have it delivered to you, or you can come and pick it up. So I'm going to place Legend on hold. If I wanted to read more about Legend, I can click on the title, and it's going to take me to a short synopsis, and it's going to give me some information on Legend. I can also add it to a favorite. Maybe I don't want to read Legend right now. Maybe I want to read Divergent. Okay, I can definitely add Legend to my favorites so that I remember that, hey, this looked interesting. I just don't want to read it right now. So you can click hold. Now, if the book is already out, if it has already been checked out, and I'm going to go back because I believe I had some. So if a book is already checked out, then you can go ahead and put it on hold, and that starts a line for that book so that you can then get that book as soon as it is returned to the library. So that is how you place books on hold. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to your librarian. They will be more than happy to assist you in any of your questions. Thank you.